What is going on, guys? It is Bennett Cartoon 91 here. Today I will be building a clean, minimal editing and secondary setup for myself. Sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. There's been a lot of things going on, personal life and school and stuff, but we should be back. I did get a new mic. I sold my Shure SM7B and got this mic, which is a little bit cheaper actually, because I was able to sell the Cloud Lifter too. Now we have this mic. You guys can't see it, but it's a shotgun mic, so let's hope it sounds good. I am still working on the settings, so if it doesn't sound great, I will try and make it sound even better for next time. But yeah, so in this video, we will be using a motorized standing desk, which is from eLive. They did send it out for this video. Huge shout out to them, link in the description. We also be using a cool monitor stand, link to the description also. I will mention them as we go through it. But yeah, honestly, let's get right on into it and start building the setup, because it's gonna take a while. And I honestly have no clue where I'm gonna put it. I think I might put it behind the camera, but I don't have that much room behind my setup, so we're gonna have to figure something out. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so this is the desk right here. We're gonna build it right now. So I'm just gonna unbox it, get all the parts ready, and then I'll see you guys in just a sec. Alright, so we got it open. As you guys can see right here, we got the top off, and now we're just gonna open this up. Ooh. This is gonna take a while to assemble. I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod and we'll get a time lapse going. Alright, so we got everything out of the box, and right here we have the tabletop. It's pretty heavy, it's solid, so I'm gonna put this on my bed, and then we're gonna get to work on building the legs and stuff. There's a lot of pieces. Alright, so I cleaned everything up, and by that I mean I threw it all over there and onto my desk, and now we have all the pieces here, and we're gonna start building it. So like I said, there are quite a few pieces, and yes, I did just throw all the bubble wrap under my desk, and I will clean it later, I promise. But honestly, it doesn't look too intimidating, just all the screws. There's so many screws. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this in time-lapse mode, and we're just gonna get to it. So we have finished all of the assembly except for putting the top on, and right here it says to test this before we go any farther. So you guys can see everything is plugged in. There's a green light on there, so we're just gonna test it here. Let's just click 1. Oh, you have to set it. Okay, so let's just use the arrows then. Oh, it's moving. That's awesome. So it's going all the way up. I believe the max is 40 something. So yeah, it works. All right, awesome. So now I can continue and we can put the tabletop on. So let's go do that right now. Alright guys, so the standing desk is completely set up. Ooh, it's looking good. And I know right now it's actually behind my shades. I know it doesn't look that good, especially on video, but for now this is where it's gonna be, because I just have no clue where I want to put it yet. But it does all work right. It'll go up and down and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna get the monitor stand out. Alright guys, so for the monitor stand, Automech was kind enough to send the single monitor gas spring desk mount out for this video. So let's open this thing up. Ooh. And yeah, we're gonna be using this Automech single spring gaskets desk mount. So here it is. Comes in a few different pieces. Alright, so it comes in these few different pieces right here. Yeah. We're gonna put this together, and then we are going to put the monitor on. So yeah, this should be pretty quick. Yeah, let's get another time lapse going. Alright guys, so this is the final product. So we have the Serious keyboard by Project Keyboards with Zycos in it, with some novel keys with black on white keycaps. We have the MacBook Pro 2018. I use that for school, but I want to start editing on Premiere Pro instead of Vegas. So I think this will become my editing station. I have my monitor for my other setup, so eventually I'm going to upgrade that, and I'm going to put that monitor back over here. But for the meantime, this is how it's going to rock. And I am going to move this somewhere. I don't know where yet, but I want to make another set for videos so it's not always the same set that you guys see. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, hit that sub button. Comment down below some other video ideas and all that good stuff. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Peace.